Unleashed fury, the most terrifying and devastating weather events in human history. 1. Hurricane Ike, Texas and Louisiana, September 13th, 14th, 2008. At least 195 people were killed, with many more injured and billions of dollars in damages caused by the Category 2 Hurricane 2. Tri-state tornado, Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana, March 18, 1925. This fierce tornado tore through the three states, leaving a massive path of destruction and death in its wake. With winds of up to 300 miles per hour, it killed 695 people, making it the deadliest tornado in U.S. history. 3. Tropical Cyclone Bola, Bangladesh, November 11, 1970. The deadliest tropical cyclone on record, with an estimated 300,000 to 500,000